When it comes to the all-new XStar, the Z100 tower takes center stage. Exclusive to this model, it's been reimagined from the ground up to deliver both aesthetics and unmatched functionality. The Z100 tower doesn't just look sharp, it's built for real-world convenience. With power folding controls at the helm and aft, adjusting it is smooth and simple, whether you're at the wheel or stepping off the swim platform. And when it comes to customization, the Z100 delivers. 7 durable, powder-coated color options let you match it perfectly to your bespoke XStar. Add your choice of the Heritage Bimini or the innovative Rigid Premium Bimini. And the XL surf racks are available in silver or black for that extra tailored look. The details set it further apart. Redesigned side toe points improve usability, projection lighting features the iconic MasterCraft logo, and backlit badging adds a premium finish. Thanks to the new audio pods featuring our 4 rear-facing speakers and 2 down-firing ones, the Z100 tower delivers incredible sound from every angle. This tower is a masterpiece of design and innovation, built to complement the XStar's legacy while setting a new benchmark for the future.